Hi guys, this is Pixie Goddess Tarot, and yes, I changed my name from Wishes of a Wanderer, and from now on, I'll be known as the Pixie Goddess Tarot. This reading is going to be for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. These are messages for the month of June. I've already done one set of readings, but I thought I should post more often. And yes, so here we are. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. The card at the bottom of the deck is a Wheel of Fortune, which is a very good card for you, Taurus. So what I see here is, in the past you had invested in certain mutual funds probably, or you invested time, money, energy in things that you thought will have a better result in the long run. And let me tell you, Taurus, that you were right. Number 7 could be an important number for you. I feel like how a farmer sows the seed and then he waits for the harvest to come, and for his seeds to start sprouting into wonderful crop and all. That's what you've been waiting for. And with the 10 of Cups over here, I feel whatever you've been waiting for, whatever you've been trying to manifest in life, you are getting it. Let's take some clarifiers out for you. Taurus, I feel that when you were investing here I'm getting some kind of feelings in some relationship or feelings into your business. Whatever investments you were doing, they had an emotional beginning to it. Like they stemmed from an emotional space. And you were a little apprehensive about whether or not things will turn out to be the way you've imagined them to be or the way you've expected them to be. But with the Ace of Pentacles over here, Taurus, I see, you are getting exactly what you deserve. All the good things that you have sown in the ground are bearing fruit now. For some of you, so see, you've got the 10 of Cups and the 9 of Cups, both the wish fulfillment cards. And this could be a relationship, a marriage, a blessing when it comes to a kid, Some of you could be wanting to start a new family with someone. Well, this is all that it's coming to you. Number 9 and 10 are important, so you can just keep an eye out for them. The card at the bottom of the deck was the Death card, Scorpionic energies. You could be dealing with a Scorpio or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Even a Gemini person could be here. But what I'm trying to tell you here is, Taurus, that whoever this person is that you've been wanting to be with, or the fact that you've been with this person and now things are turning and becoming better than what they were, comes from something that has ended. So death doesn't always mean physical death or death of a loved one or your death. It means death of an era and beginning of a new morning, beginning of a new day. People change in their sleep as well. There's so many people, when people say that you should sleep on it, is because your subconscious plays an important role in helping you take decisions. And I think your subconscious has led you to take this drastic decision of investing in something that obviously paid you in the long run, but it was worth the wait. You've got the 10 of Fire. Some kind of communication is coming your way. And I feel you've been burdened by something lately, but now I'm sorry, the card was shining, but it's the 10 of Fire, which means the 10 of Wands. And these could be some fire energies that you're surrounded by. Nevertheless, it's a passionate new start after a burdensome past. Let's see some extra messages for you, Taurus. Please note that this is a general reading. So if it doesn't resonate with you, please go check out your other signs. It'll be very helpful. You've got the wait card. Probably this is now the right time to invest in something, someone. And this also suggests that you've been waiting for something to happen and now the wait is over. Extra messages for my Taurus people. Step out of your comfort zone. Show the world the real you. A personal issue reaches resolution. The energy is gaining momentum. The end of a tough cycle approaches. As I mentioned, something that you've been waiting for, something that was burdensome, now reaches a smooth end, a happy end. Cancer plays an important role. There's Aquarius here. These are some great energies because the last card in this deck says that the energy is gaining momentum. Sometimes life seems really slow, but yours is going to take a, you know how you suddenly hit the accelerator? That's what's going to happen with you, Taurus. You'll hit the accelerator in the right direction. I choose to learn through love. That is your closing message, Taurus. Always keep love because it's the beginning and the end. And guys, I hope you liked this reading, and if you did, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.